In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear tail lamp assembly on this 2009 Dodge Dakota. The tail lamp assembly will be located on the rear of your vehicle. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is lower the tailgate. Once you've done that, you're going to be looking for two T25 Torx screws. Let's remove the pair. Now we can grab onto that tail lamp assembly and we're going to pull it straight back. It has two locking tabs along the outer portion, holding it to the bed of the vehicle. With that dislodged, we can continue on to removing the bulb sockets from the tail lamp assembly. Go ahead and give that a twist counterclockwise to remove it. Inspect the bulb and set that aside. Do the same to the other. There it is, friends. All right, now we can get ready to install that tail lamp assembly. Assuming the bulbs looked good, we'll continue on by aligning our two tabs on each of the wiring harnesses. Once we're sure our bulbs are in good condition, we'll continue on by installing each of these bulb sockets into the assembly. Align the two tabs, press it in, turn it clockwise to lock it into position. For this top one, it has 3 tabs. Now we can carefully slide this into place in the body of the vehicle. You have 2 locking tabs that slide into the body itself. With that in place, continue on to your 2 mounting screws. We'll start each of these in before we snug either of them. Make sure it's nice and secure. All right, now that it's assembled, let's test its functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.